Hello and Assalamu alaikum. This is Alishba Naz and this is our website named Paperverse, which is a static front-end web design which is made by Rahim Ali, our team leader, and Alishba Naz. It sells books, diaries, and calendars. So all you can see over here, we will be selling our books, diaries, and calendars. We are the student of CPISM first semester FTech Johor, and the languages that we have used are HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap 5, and the basic JavaScript and jQuery. So let's dig into the website. As you can see, this is our nav bar where you can see our home, shop, contact us, sign up and log in. Let's discover our home page first. So as you move down, you can see the explore now option. As we click on it, you can see our trending journals available over here and you can simply buy them. Click to buy now and you can select the size that you want, maybe small, large or medium. And you can select the quantity as well. I'm selecting one. And besides it, you can download our full manual. You can see that it has downloaded. Let's move to the home page again. As we further scroll down, there are our hot calendar available, our beautiful diaries available, and then this is our footer where all the social media links are given. You can connect with us on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter and Google as well. Let's move to our shop. As you can see, there is a drop down over here where you can select the journals option, calendar or diary. Let's see our journals first. So this is all the journals that are available. The list is over here. As you can see, there is motive journal, phonic journal, mask up journal, and you can buy them easily. Let's move to the calendars now. So you can see this is all the calendars that are available on our website. Lunar calendar, Julian calendar, Georgian calendar, and all the calendars. And you can download the price list as well. So it has downloaded. Now let's see our diaries. So this is our diaries that we have available right now. Dark green diary, and there is a description of it available as well. Branded aesthetic mini green diary, mint green diary, imported from USA with upgraded page design and sections. Let's scroll down. There are many more diaries available as you can see, and you can again download the price list. Now let's move to the contact us page. So this is our contact us page. Let's enter our details. I'm writing admin. Enter my email, admin at gmail.com and send now. Okay, so it's done. And besides it, you can contact us through our phone number, which is over here, and you can contact us through our email as well. Wait a minute. You can contact us through our email as well. So this is our email. Okay, let's scroll further down. So this is our location given. You can see it, it's working. The map is working. Besides it, as we further scroll down, this is our footer again. Let's move to the sign up and login page now. So this is our login form. And here you can enter your username, email address, and you can simply log in. Let's do it. Alishba. Okay, and then search below. And enter your Gmail. Okay, and remember me. So we have successfully logged in. Congratulations. And then this is our sign up page. Here you can enter your username. Sorry, wait a minute. This is our sign up page. Here you can enter your name, email address, password, phone, and enter your all the basic information and the details that they are asking. So this is our website which is selling all the journals, calendars and diaries, and you have seen that. Let's see whether it's responsive or not. So You can see that it's simple. This is our hamburger. This is our home page. Let's open this and now scroll down. So it's working properly on iPhone SE. Now let's see on iPhone XR maybe. Let's see on iPad mini. Okay, so this is also working on iPad mini. As you can see, the things are at its place. Let's open the hamburger. Let's move to the shop, journals. And you can see all our journals list available over here. All the journals are available. Flawless journal, Fearless journal, and this is our website. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much.